Welcome to FuzzuTech. Today, we're going to build your very first Flutter application from scratch. Don't worry if you've never programmed before, because this tutorial is designed especially for complete beginners. I'll explain every step in a simple and practical way. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a beautiful mobile app running and a solid understanding of how Flutter works. Let's start this exciting journey together. Before we begin coding, let's take a look at the application we'll build today. It features a modern gradient background, a clean app bar, the Flutter logo, a stylish welcome message, and an interactive button. It may look like a professional app, but it's actually built using a few simple Flutter widgets. We'll create every section together, making the learning process easy and enjoyable. Our goal today is simple. Instead of learning random Flutter concepts, we'll build a real mobile application from start to finish. While creating this project, you'll naturally understand how Flutter works and how widgets combine to build beautiful user interfaces. Project-based learning is one of the fastest ways to improve your coding skills and gain confidence. Flutter is one of the most popular frameworks for building mobile applications. Developed by Google, it allows developers to create Android and iOS apps using a single codebase. That means you write your code once and deploy it on multiple platforms. It's fast, modern, beginner-friendly, and trusted by millions of developers around the world. Why are so many developers choosing Flutter? Because it offers beautiful user interfaces, fast performance, powerful widgets, and an amazing developer experience. With features like Hot Reload, you can instantly see changes while building your app. Flutter saves time, increases productivity, and makes mobile app development more enjoyable than ever before. Every Flutter application begins with the MaterialApp widget. Think of it as the main container that manages your entire application. It controls themes, navigation, colors, titles, and many other important settings. Almost every professional Flutter project starts with MaterialApp, making it one of the first widgets every beginner should understand. The Scaffold widget provides the basic structure of your application. Imagine building a house. You need a strong foundation before adding furniture or decorations. Similarly, Scaffold gives your app a layout where you can easily place an AppBar Body, floating buttons, navigation bars, and many other useful components with very little effort. At the top of almost every mobile application, you'll find an app bar. It displays the title of the current screen and can also contain icons, menus, search buttons, and navigation controls. Today we'll create a clean app bar with a simple title, giving our application a professional look while keeping everything easy to understand. A great application isn't just functional, it should also look beautiful. Flutter makes designing attractive user interfaces incredibly easy. By combining colors, spacing, typography, icons, and layouts, we can build apps that feel modern and professional. Even small design improvements can significantly enhance the user experience. Text and icons are two of the most important elements in mobile applications. Text communicates information clearly, while icons help users quickly understand actions and navigation. Together, they create intuitive and visually appealing interfaces. Flutter provides built-in widgets that make adding and customizing text and icons incredibly simple. Now let's explore the structure inside our scaffold. This is where our application starts taking shape. We'll organize different widgets in the correct positions so everything looks clean and professional. Understanding the scaffold layout will make it much easier to build larger and more advanced Flutter applications in future lessons. The body widget is where the main content of your application appears. Everything users interact with, including text, images, buttons, forms, and lists, is usually placed inside the body. Think of it as the main workspace of your app, where all the important features come together to create the user experience. The Center widget has one simple but very useful job. It places its child widget exactly in the center of the available space. Proper alignment is essential for creating clean and balanced interfaces. Instead of manually adjusting positions, Flutter allows us to center content effortlessly with just a single widget. Now it's time to make our application interactive. We'll create an elevated button with a modern design and rounded corners. Buttons allow users to perform actions inside an application. Flutter provides flexible customization options, making it easy to design beautiful buttons that perfectly match your application's overall style. Every interactive application needs feedback for the user. That's where the SnackBar widget becomes useful. Whenever someone presses our button, a small message will appear at the bottom of the screen. This simple interaction makes the application feel alive and teaches one of Flutter's most commonly used UI components. One of Flutter's most impressive features is hot reload. Instead of restarting the application every time you change your code, Flutter instantly updates the interface while the app is still running. This allows developers to experiment, fix mistakes, and build applications much faster than many other development frameworks. Let's compare our progress. At the beginning, we had an empty Flutter project. Now we've built a clean interface with a gradient background, a professional app bar, beautiful typography, the Flutter logo, and an interactive button. Small widgets combined together have transformed a blank screen into a polished mobile application. Follow steps in code. Now it's your turn to practice. Try changing the welcome text, experiment with different colors, or replace the button icon with another Flutter icon. These small challenges will help you understand Flutter more deeply. The best way to learn programming isn't by watching videos. It's by building and experimenting yourself. Congratulations! In this lesson, you've learned the basics of Flutter development. You explored MaterialApp, Scaffold, AppBar, Body, Center, Text, Icons, Buttons, SnackBars, and Hot Reload. More importantly, you learned how these widgets work together to create a real mobile application from scratch. Amazing work! You've successfully completed your very first Flutter project. This is only the beginning of your journey into mobile app development. In the next lesson, we'll build even more exciting user interfaces while learning new Flutter widgets and layouts. Don't forget to subscribe to FuzzuTech. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy coding!